Let's say you want to have the Mona Lisa masterpiece of your professional identity. You're most probably into adding positions, experiences alongside other detail. You're triggered to do so? Then stay with us until the last minute of this video to find out more. Hey everyone, it's me Ethan from CU Finder, where you dive into the latest tips and tricks to boost your professional game. Today we're unraveling the mystery of adding multiple positions to your LinkedIn profile. Whether you've climbed the ladder in one company or juggled several roles, your LinkedIn is about to get a major upgrade. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So this is the profile that I just want to add multiple positions. Let's assume that you want to add multiple positions into the current experience of yours. For me, it's a marketing manager. Let's say that I've been promoted to another job role. So what am I going to do is to open my profile, scroll down to the experience section, and click on this plus button and add position. So once you do that, you're going to be popped up with this information bar. So you're going to have to fill in the information of your choice. Let's say I am promoted to a let's say CEO, let's say deputy CEO, and it's actually a full-time job. Company name. So you're gonna have to type down the current company that you're working, that you want to just add another position. So the company that I was working was CU Finder, and I'm just gonna type down CU Finder here again. So let's just say the location is on Germany, and then the location type I'm just gonna click on on-site. Let's just add the start dates. Let's assume that it's on February 2023, 2024, let's say. I've just recently started this position, so after filling all these details down here, the relevant detail, so we're just going to click on the save option here. So if you want to share this new promotion of yours to your connections, you're just going to have to click on next, which asks you next, share your new position with your network. So I do not personally prefer to do that, so I just click on skip. And then you're going to be asked by a couple of other questions, and then I just click on skip too. And there we have it. You guys can see that under this CU Finder company, I am right now a deputy CEO instead of being a marketing manager, which was my previous position. But wait, what if LinkedIn gets a bit too creative and mixes up your positions? A simple fix. Just edit the company's name for accuracy, ensuring each role shines correctly on your profile. And if your positions aren't huddling together as they should, double check those company names. Now let's talk about making your profile the Mona Lisa it deserves to be. Linking company pages, adding rich descriptions with action words, and sprinkling in those keywords can make your profile irresistible to recruiters. And don't forget to flaunt your certifications and use media to amplify your achievements. There you have it, a LinkedIn profile that not only tells your career story, but tells it well. Remember, your profile is more than a resume. It's a narrative of your professional journey. With these tips, you're not just updating your LinkedIn, you're curating an exhibit of your work life that recruiters and connections won't be able to scroll past. And we have reached the end of this video. Before you go, hit that like button if you found these tips helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more career boosting content. Until the next time, keep building your professional masterpiece.